So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about diff command, diff, that is for difference. Okay, so what it will do, like we are having cat slash etc pass wd. Okay, this is the file. So what we'll do, we'll create a copy of this slash cp slash etc pass wd slash tmp pass wd1. Okay, so we'll, if I do diff here slash etc pass wd and compare with slash temp pass wd1, there's no difference. I will make some changes in temp pass wd. Okay, one. So let's go in the bottom. Instead of k, we'll do ak, and test we'll remove e. In Amit we'll remove I, and Tom will have extra m. Okay, 4 entry have changed. Now we'll do the difference. Okay, so it is showing the difference. First part is a part of this file. Okay, it is showing 1 2 3 4. These 4 lines from the first file just got changed in a second file, like pass1. Okay, it is showing only those lines. So these are the 4 lines from the first file, like slash etc password, and these are the 4 lines from the second file slash temp password1 we are using here. So using this you can compare two file. What's the difference? Okay, so we'll again do the something, like we'll remove the tom extra m and k. Okay, we'll roll back this thing. Now only two files, it should show two lines. It is showing those two lines. Okay, it's showing 33 34c 33 34. Okay, what are these? We'll see. vi slash etc will do temp pass. Okay, let's do the set the line number. So it's showing 33 and 34. See, 33 line number is this and 34 is this. Those two lines are having change. So 33 34, and in second file also 33 and 34. Now we'll delete one line from this. Let's assume last file line I have deleted. So how it will compare? So it will show 33 35 33 34. Okay, 32 33 to 35, 3 lines which are changed in 33 and 34. So accordingly these two lines are having some changes and this line got deleted. Now we'll do one extra deletion. We'll delete in a message this thing. Okay, I'm not aware of the line number because I just did it. Let's see. So what is showing 22 and 21. Okay, line number 22 is not visible here, and here 35 33 to 35, 3 lines got changed 32 to 33. So you can see the difference is 32. Earlier it was 33 to 34. One line we have deleted on the above, that's why it's showing like this. So using this, like what are the use cases of this command? So like you are doing an activity, you have taken a backup. After taking a backup you have made some changes. Now after some time you came and you want to see the differences. What are the difference like between these two files? You can use diff command. Simple diff file1 and file2. Okay, and it will show you the counts, which line is deleted, which line is edited, and it will show those line also. There are other option on like this file. What are the options? Let me tell you. Diff -c slash etc pass wd slash temp past. So now what we are having here, it will show the content of both the file. Okay, line by line it's showing. So let me clear my screen and let me smaller down this thing. Now it should be visible to you. Okay, it is highlighting these three lines. which got deleted here and changed. Okay, and showing this is a file timestamp and all. Okay, line number 19 to 25, it is showing like this, these three line, and here. Okay, 30 to 35, it is showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 line here. So these are the line where we are having the changes. Okay, accordingly you can use other option if you don't want to see the content, because hyphen c is for content. There hyphen a b u. Okay, we'll see what is hyphen a. So it will show 22d 21. 22 is got deleted. Okay, 33 35c changes. Okay, 3 counts is having, these been deleted. These are the hyphen a option you will use. If you use hyphen b, then also output is same. So basic command we are using diff, sorry, basic command is diff file1 slash tmp pass wd1 or slash tmp slash it pass wd. Okay, so you will able to see the difference. We'll do diff to these two files. So it will not able to compare because both are having the different line. So what it will do, it will print the first file and these three hyphen will show it is taking to next file. Okay, so this diff command is comparing this file content with this file content, and there is no match, everything is difference. That's why we are getting this output. Okay, so that's the diff command use. You can differentiate what are the difference between two files and use it. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video.